Seriously, YouTube has changed. YouTube is currently updating its community guidelines. YouTube is becoming tougher. Guys, you need to watch this video from the beginning to the end, because YouTube of 3 months ago, 4 months ago is not the same YouTube that you know as at now that you're watching this video. YouTube is becoming tougher. I think YouTube is currently updating its community guidelines, so that's why some of the strategies that most content creators use in monetizing their channels as at 6 months ago, as at 1 year ago, if you use some of those strategies in this June 2025, the likelihood of you being rejected from YPP is very, very high. Guys, as if that is not even enough, do you know that YouTube is currently demonetizing channels for life? Like, when I say for life, like forever and ever, you can't come on YouTube again. You can't upload content on YouTube again. I am going to tell you that in this video. So all I want you to do is for you to watch this video from the beginning to the end. Subscribe if you are yet to, because when I come here to talk to you, I talk from a place of experience. I have lost to monetization. I have been through a whole lot on YouTube. So when I talk to you, I talk like someone who has experienced some shages here on YouTube. Now let me tell you something. For you to join YPP, you need any of these two things I am going to mention. You need either your 500 subscribers and your 3,000 watch time, or you need your 1,000 subscribers and your 4,000 watch time, or you need your 10 million views within the period of 365 days, which is 1 year. Now, YouTube is currently demonetizing channels for life. Let me tell you this, it actually happened to a friend. So one of my friends here on YouTube, she recently got monetized. When she got monetized, personally I was happy for her. So she organized her monetization party here on YouTube. I attended, like it was all fun. Other YouTubers were there. She was happy, everybody, we were happy. We were just there in the comment section chatting with her and all of that. She even co-hosted with some persons. One thing you need to know about YouTube is this: it's not as if it cannot pay you with your local account. Of course, it can pay you directly into your local account, but as Africans, it is imperative, it is important that you get your money in dollars. You understand? Because if you tell YouTube to pay you with your local currency, YouTube will pay you with the official market rate. You understand? But in a situation where you tell YouTube to pay you in dollars, YouTube will pay you in dollars into your AdSense. Then from there you can withdraw it directly to your domiciliary account. So you go to bank, you withdraw the money, and you can now go to the parallel market to exchange it to whatever rate. And of course, if you are Nigerian, you will know that the black market rate, what we call black market, is always higher than what the official market is always giving. So the official market can be, dollar can be 1,500 at the official market, while in the parallel market it can be about 1,800 or so. So you can see the gap. So on this note, every YouTuber ought to have an AdSense account. Once you apply to join YPP, the first thing you're going to do is for you to accept their terms and conditions. After accepting YouTube's terms and conditions, the second stage will be for you to create an AdSense account. Now, once you create this AdSense account, there will be a time for you to verify this account. See, the essence of you verifying your AdSense account is because YouTube wants to be sure that it is dealing with humans, it is not robots. You understand? So this, my friend, she got monetized. As she got monetized, she opened an AdSense account. Now, in the process of opening this AdSense account, everything was successful, but she needed to verify with her government issued ID card. Now, let me tell you something. As a YouTuber, please, this ID card, you need it, most especially when you want to verify. So it's either you use your passport to verify. When I talk about passport, I am not talking about passport photograph. I am talking about your traveling passport, like your e-passport, what we Nigerians called international passport. You need it. The second, if you don't have your passport, you can use NIN. If you don't have NIN, you can use voter's card. If you don't have voter card, you can use driver license. So these 4 ID cards are accepted by YouTube. So what happened to this girl? She did not have government issued ID card. You need to know that YouTube does not accept any ID card that was not issued by the government. So if it is the ID card that was issued to you by your place of work, it will not be honored by YouTube. So at that point, she was not like, she does not have government issued ID card. What is she going to do? So at that stage, she reached out to a bigger YouTuber, someone who has been on this platform for a very long time. She told the person everything, that she does not have a government issued ID card and she needs an AdSense account to be receiving her money. Remember, she's monetized, so the money was coming, you understand? So she and the bigger YouTuber got to talk. Now as they talked back and forth, after some time the bigger YouTuber accepted. So after she accepted, now she linked her YouTube channel to this YouTuber's channel. Now this big YouTuber was into entertainment, always reacting to issues, reacting to content, celebrity gossip and all of that. Now unknowingly to this other YouTuber, that this YouTuber already has 2 copyright strikes. Now guys, let me tell you something. If you have 3 copyright strikes on YouTube within the period of 3 months, which is 90 days, your channel will be deleted completely from YouTube. In a situation that you have more than 3 monetized channel linked to one AdSense account, what do you think will happen to your channel once one of the channels has 3 copyright strikes in 3 months? She already had 2 copyright strikes. It wasn't too long, she got another copyright strikes. You know that here on YouTube, if you are into entertainment, the likelihood of you having strikes is very, very high. The likelihood of you getting strikes is high. It is high because some of you do reactions, so you have to get what a celebrity said, you have to react to it, and most of your audience, for you to even get the audience you need, your audience will want to hear from the horse's mouth. You understand? So you cannot just come here to tell us that May Edeche did this. You need to show us the picture and all of that. You need to show us the video. You understand? And you are not the only one talking about this same thing, this same event. There are thousands, there are hundreds of persons over there talking about this same thing. So imagine myself, I'm using the same clip, another person is using the same clip, and you know here on YouTube there is something called reuse content. There is something called reuse content. So if you do not react very well, it therefore means that you will have issue of reuse content or you have a copyright strike. You understand? So it wasn't too long, this lady got the 3rd strike. Hence, her channel was deleted from YouTube. What I so much like about her is this: she reached out to the smaller content creator immediately, to explaining everything to her, that her channel has been demonetized. At that point, this small content creator made research of what should be done. So immediately she got back to the bigger content creator, telling her that she should deactivate the AdSense account. You understand? Because if she does not deactivate the AdSense account, our own channel will be deleted as well. You understand? So YouTube will trace our own channel to this channel that has copyright strikes. Remember that once you have a copyright strike, it therefore means that that content is not originally yours. So on YouTube here, YouTube is looking for content creators that will create original content, not carrying someone's content, doing 1 or 2 with it and posting it, and at the end of the day you are not even doing it very well, like the right way. You understand? So she deactivated the AdSense account, and now this smaller content creators channel is safe. But is it totally safe? It is not totally safe because the channel is making money, but she cannot receive the money. Hence, she is completely demonetized on YouTube for life. The channel is just there. Now, if this other content creator, the bigger content creator, goes back to reactivate the AdSense account, this other channel will be deleted. So the channel is just there. There are videos there. Obviously, people will be watching. As they are watching, ads are being placed in between, definitely that is money. So you now see that all these little things, all these little things can make you demonetized for life. Guys, as a content creator whose sole aim is to monetize, please start now. Go and get your details ready. Go and get your things ready. If you do not have ID card, go and get it. If you do not have everything that is required as far as this journey is concerned, go and get it. Now Google AdSense had made it very easy for us. You can verify online. Go and get your ID card. Go and get everything done now. You understand? So it will not be too late. Now look at it. It's not even as if she went against YouTube's community guidelines, but because she was affiliating with someone who was not doing things right, like the way YouTube wants it, it didn't affect her. And now she is starting afresh. When I say she's starting afresh, like afresh, it is not easy to start afresh. Seriously, it's something I like saying. Like, if you're not self-motivated on YouTube, you might not want to start afresh, because this journey is not easy. It's not easy. It's not easy to have one person subscribe to your YouTube channel. It is not easy to make your research, do your scripting, record a video, edit it, create your thumbnail, upload it, and still nobody is watching. It's not really easy. So please, in as much as you're uploading content, you're putting in your best, ensure that all the documents needed by YouTube once you monetize is ready, so that you don't end up affiliating with someone who might likely go against YouTube's community guidelines, and in the long run it will affect you. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching up to this point. See you guys in my next video, and bye for now.